Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you something that I get requested all the time, which is how to apply false lashes. In this video as well, I'm also going to be showing you how to apply false nails. For both products, I am using Kiss products. I love this brand, have been genuinely using this brand for years and years and years because I wear fake lashes almost every day. And since the pandemic, I have been trying to do my nails at home as well. For the lashes, there are so many amazing different kinds of lashes, and I'm a strong believer that the kind of lash that you use really can change your whole makeup look. These are the Mink Effect collection. I'm wearing some right now. Yes, I'm gonna show you how to apply them, don't you worry, but I am wearing some right now. The ones I'm wearing right now are the Belle. See, some of them are just slightly different from the other ones. Some are a little bit more natural, some are a little bit thicker. I really like these because they're pretty spaced out, which I think is really fun. So these lashes you can wear up to 10 times, which is amazing. This is an amazing way to get your lashes for a great price and have them last a long time, and that means a lot. You can find these at Dollar General or dollargeneral.com. People ask me all the time if I go to a salon to get my lashes done, and I say no, I just put them on at home. And people are like, you put them on yourself? And I'm like, yeah. So overall, amazing product, and I'm just like so excited to share them with y'all. And for the nails, I'm using the Ready to Wear nail collection. So starting off this tutorial, I'm using the Mink Effect collection in Eris. I really liked these because they were super spaced out. You gently take them off of the package. And I like to bend the band like this because it fits the eye better. You measure it with no glue on your eye. It's a little bit long, so I decided I am going to take it off and cut off the ends. This is the secret. You always want to cut off the end, not the part that goes to the corner of your eye. Next, I'm using some Kiss glue. This is sold separately from the package, but it is great, and this darker color matches really well with eyeliner. Next, I always use tweezers to put on my false lashes. This is a huge tip that I think is a really big secret and people don't use often. It just makes it a lot easier to apply and make it super precise, and you're able to apply pressure on the corner of your eye and the ends where it seems to kind of pop off. And this is the final look with the lashes on. I do one more step, which is I always blend my natural lashes with the false lashes with some mascara. This is the final look. These lashes are incredible and they look so fun and add so much to the look. All right, now I am choosing which nails I want to use from the Ready to Wear collection. They have a bunch of different lengths, which is super cool. They have the long length, medium length. They have really great designs with jewels, French, and then I'm using this glue. It's brush on. It is so easy to use, you guys. It's crazy. I decided I was going to use the short length in the matte black. I just feel like that is, for now, it will just match most of the things I'm wearing. And I just love that it's matte, which I think is so cool. So I'm just getting prepped to apply. What's great about these nails is it comes with 24 nails. So you can have all of these different shapes and sizes that fit your nail bed. So I'm just kind of going through and I'm testing out which nail will fit my nail bed. I, kind of digging around, finally found one right there. Looks great. And to apply these nails, what you need to do is obviously just open the glue, then brush it on the nail. And then you also want to brush some glue on your own nail. This glue does dry fast, which is great because you're not sitting there forever waiting for your glue to dry. So you just kind of put it right on your nail and you want to press it down for about 60 seconds. And wow, pressed on, it feels great. I just went through and picked out the rest of my nails and I continued to glue them onto my nails. This is such a super easy process, and it took me, honestly, I would say about 10 minutes for one hand, which is crazy because it looks so great. And the first hand is done. Look how good that looks. Looks like I went and got them done with that matte black. So cute. I just went ahead and I was picking out the nails from my other hand and did the same thing, applying the glue to the nail and to my nail and just popping them on the rest of my nails. This is the final look. These are supposed to last 7 whole days, so I'm really excited to have a nice new fresh manicure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that these tutorials helped you. You know, the final look, the nails and the lashes, I'm feeling so good. These products are amazing. I love Kiss products in general, but the nails and lashes in particular. And you can find them at Dollar General or dollargeneral.com. Really great way to have this salon look, but you can really do it at home. And I really hope that these tutorials helped you. So if you do try these, let me know. Let me know what your favorites are. All right, talk to you later. Bye.